Nesaf, name the months of the year in Welsh. So we've struggled with this a little bit to remember the months, so I've given you the first letter. So starting from E. So
you can see there that Nia's used this scaffold because she knows they struggled in the past. So she's got a really clear rationale for putting that scaffold in place. So good scaffolding is putting up the scaffold, but really great scaffolding is knowing when to take it away. So let's have a look at what Nia does next.
Rhagfyr, da iawn. What's the next step to try and learn them without the letters? Yeah?
So there you see, what's the next step? To try and learn them without the letters. She's being very clear to students that that scaffolding is only temporary.